and play it back again. All I pull up and take you pull up and
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Miriam C, and of course by the title you guys already know we're getting into another video. So this hair was sent to me by West Kiss Hair, and they sent me 26 inches of their body wave 13x4 HD lace. Everything came inside of this beautiful pink package, and of course they give you all the goodies, the hairbrush, the edges brush, and a nice little bonnet actually that I was wearing earlier that's not in the package. But this bonnet's so cute. Irreversible bonnet. This hair is so gorgeous, guys. Let's just get into the details of this unit really quick. So I've only just installed this hair, so I don't know how it's going to hold up, but West Kiss never fails. Like, they never miss with all of their units that they've sent me so far. This hair is so soft, so flowy, and it's definitely giving the girls, okay? It's definitely giving the girls. I'm loving this hair and how it turned out. The lace melted so nice, like definitely giving scalp. Can you find the lace? Where's the lace? Where's the lace? Where's the lace? Exactly. So yes guys, so without further ado, all the details on this unit will be listed down below in the comment descriptions. Don't forget to check that out as well. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you'll be notified every time your girl drops a new upload. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Bye.
cause you come too. Come through. Sus. I like it cause you come too.
Dale.
My kind of bitch, she be saying some shit like when you gon' fly me in private so I can land on that dick. She said tricks for kids, she don't fall for the tricks. She can handle her own, she just wants some dick. Got that big Birkin bag worth 5-6 figures. Might be out your league, can you buy that nigga? I pull up on the top, going on the dawn, I'm the dawn. You can fuck around if you want, if you want out college. Big swing, big dress, big ass, niggas work, make a big mess. Before we done, she asked what we going do it next. Next, where they fucked up the seats in the jet. She like all that gangsta shit. Top down, right down with the whip. Who you with? Whoa. She like all that gangsta shit. I said she like all that gangsta shit. She wanna fly with me. She wanna fly with me.
Take your pull up and play it back again. All I pull up and take your pull up and take your pull up and all I pull up and take your pull up and take your pull up and play it back again. All I pull up and
Qué rico.
take your pull up and take your pull up and all I pull up and take your pull up and take your pull up and play it back again.
Let's go on the beach. Better bring that outside.
I told her, shawty wanna fuck me inside the I can take you out anywhere, fuck a jet share. Versace hotel, Versace roll. Like it when you let down your hair with no clothes. And I think to myself, cause I never like these hoes. If she only like the walk, red like these hoes. Why would I waste my time on a shorty that don't got me on the front of her mind? Take it where you get designed and I want you down. In the Billy chain with the wings like a number 9. Yeah, come through, just us two. I like it cause you come too. Come through, just us two. I like it cause you come too.
Dale.
That's my kind of bitch, she be saying some shit like when you gon' fly me in private so I can land on that dick. She said tricks for kids, she don't fall for the tricks. She can handle her own, she just wants some dick. Got that big Birkin bag worth 5-6 figures. Might be out your league, can you buy that nigga? I pull up on the top, going on the dawn, I'm the dawn. You can fuck around if you want, if you want out college. Big swing, big dress, big ass, niggas work, make a big mess. Before we done, she asked what we going do it next. Next, where they fucked up the seats in the jet. She like all that gangsta shit. Top down, right down with the whip. Who you with? Whoa. She like all that gangsta shit. I said she like all that gangsta shit. She wanna fly with me. She wanna fly with me.
Take your pull up and play it back again. All I pull up and take your pull up and take your pull up and all I pull up and take your pull up and take your pull up and play it back again. All I pull up and
Qué rico.
take your pull up and take your pull up and all I pull up and take your pull up and take your pull up and play it back again. cause you come too. Come through. Sus. I like it cause you come too. I like it cause you come too. Come through. Sus. I like it cause you come too.
This hair is so cute. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm trying to focus my hair. Let me sit down because I'm holding it myself. Okay.
That's my kind of bitch. She be saying some shit like when you gon' fly me in private so I can land on that dick. She said tricks for kids. She don't fall for the tricks.
It's
she can't
so
handle her own.
cute.
She just wants a dick. Got that
So-
big Birkin bag worth 5-6 figures. Might be out your league. Can you buy that?
Nice.
I pull up on the top, going on the dawn, I'm the dawn. You can fuck around if you want, if you want out, big swing.